These people that last a long time would be fucking dead.
I think everyone would have snipers at that point, though, because one shot, you know, you just peg them from long range.
Yeah, like I'd have my SKS. You know,
Yeah.
running around.
Do we want to go
force
here
people
again?
to actually think. Yeah, why not? It's like inside the circle, but right inside.
Get to the safe zone.
You know, everybody's gonna go to storage. I guess we could probably go here.
Oh, I mean, we can also go all the way out and get that special bunker by the park.
No,
But your
people are
call.
gonna be going there. People are
Your
gonna be
call.
going there. Let's go to the hills. It's our safe haven.
All right, safe haven, baby. Let's go to heaven.
Oh yeah.
I'm not getting pegged this time.
Yeah, I'm all the way at the top. Nobody can shoot me. I don't think anybody's going there anyways.
I don't think anyone's going in there. There's no one. There's nobody above us. Yeah, no one's going there. Free falling.
I'll be here. Like normal.
Yep, I went to the big one as well.
Oh, I never go to the big one.
Oh, you went to the room. Okay.
Always do. You never notice that?
You always go to that one on the left, yeah.
Ooh. Orange box.
I'll start moving to the right. Oh, wow, nice. Lucky bitch.
I broke glass.
Okay. I didn't even hear it.
Cluster strike.
Damn, Cuddy. Oh, did not mean to grab that.
Get to the target.
At least that doesn't affect us too much. I broke glass again.
Okay, my shit's not working right now. It's pissing me off.
What's not?
My recording.
Oh. I did it where I actually had to hold it, go through the menu, and then say, start
Oh, we
recording.
never fixed my settings for me.
I don't. Oh, like the time. Oh, the
what?
convention. Oh, you're talking about the conventional tap.
Yeah.
We can fix that here in a little bit. I don't know if you want to do it right now because we can go to the corner real quick and I can walk you through it.
No, it's all good. Okay, what? We need $400 more. So let's push down here. Oh, somebody's landing here.
Yeah, moving to you. Moving to you.
Allied cluster strike incoming.
He's in
I'm
your
broken.
building.
I'm broken. Yeah, I'm broken. I'm dead. Don't come for me.
I came.
Did you get him?
I got one.
Yeah, I don't.
I got them both, Brad.
Good shit.
I can't wait to watch that on film, baby. Wow,
If I don't come back, you can always buy me back.
yes, I can.
Contract failed. Your time is up.
That hurt, though. That hurt. That's.
That's bullshit.
Teammate has failed.
I'm so fucking pissed right now.
I'm gonna leave. Oh, you don't have
Team
your.
is KIA.
Give me
It's up
back.
to you now.
What do you
Yeah,
mean
but
I don't
there-
have my what?
There's no what you call
Banda here.
um
Get your supplies.
No box?
buy. There's no buy there. Yeah.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah.
Well, let me know when you're close to getting me back.
104, 110. Oh, 100 meters, 80 meters. If you want, it's go to your settings, game options, under use of weapons, halfway down,
Hold on,
conventional
what?
tap.
I literally was not. I was
Oh.
trying to fix my settings for my recording.
All right,
But
are you
it
ready?
all
'Cause
looks
I'm
like it's alright. Yeah, I'm ready.
behind you back.
Okay. Don't open. Really? I told you you are that teammate.
What teammate?
The teammate that takes everything.
There's nothing for me to take.
What do you mean? You just opened up a box.
Yeah, doesn't mean I take what's inside of it. I didn't take the gun. I didn't take the ammo.
Sure. Sure, but you took the money.
I got a
You-
gun for you, Pry. Don't worry. I'm holding
Yep.
one for you.
Nope. Nope. You're still that teammate.
Right here, Pry.
Nope. I'm gonna stick with what's on the ground.
Hey, look, that's on the ground.
Nope.
LMG
Nope.
here.
Passing it up.
Salty ass. All right, you want to move
Didn't-
back? Get your stuff.
Didn't even offer me a plate or nothing. Just
Yep.
said get fucked. Of course I'm going for my LMG, bro. I forced those guys to get inside the building with me though.
Body armor here.
Oh, and then you put it where I'm not running to. Those are shitty teammate.
Go fuck yourself. I'm nothing but supportive. I bought your ass back. But yeah, you did. I'm gonna make the film tonight so you can at least see it because, dude, it was beautiful. You set them up nicely with that cluster, and I just happened to guess right on which side they were going.
Well, I should have had my M4 out. The LMG's nice, but like when you get like
Close
in
range,
close combat, yeah. Oh,
Here's
just
your munitions
fucking
box.
take my fucking shit.
I didn't. God damn it!
Is
Shut
this
your
the same
face.
LMG?
This is your stuff right here, Pry.
Assault
I didn't
rifle
touch
here.
any of it because I knew you're coming back.
Okay, hold on. Let's do this conventional tap bullshit.
Okay.
Options.
So options, it's under controller, scroll down to under the categories weapon,
Okay.
and then all the way down where it says use/reload behavior, you're gonna move it to where it says contextual tap.
Done.
So instead of having to hold it, all you have to do is tap it now.
Let's go.
We're going there. All right.
Move on my waypoint.
The only thing is be cautious when you're reloading in a helicopter or a vehicle.
Because you can jump out.
That's what gets me is when I first started, I used to try reloading and I end up jumping out. All right, so what's our game plan here?
Move on
Oh, this has all been looted.
I want to go right. I would agree.
Heading
It's,
there.
damn it. Throw glass in me too. Yep, been looted.
There. I'm going.
Friendly drop back on the way.
Do we want to move to that?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, there's something over here, Pry. Box.
Moving
You've
What?
got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
There's an unopened box over there. You get it?
Yeah.
Alright.
You're right behind me, right?
Yep.
Cool. Get this loady.
Actually, I'm gonna go to the top real quick.
There. I'm going.
Oh, this hasn't been moving, really? I'm gonna go to the top so I can see if there's anything on it.
I don't think we're gonna be able to get our loadout.
Why? Why not?
Never mind.
Got it?
SMG here.
You can come get yours.
Okay.
Do we have a truck? West. 229.
Ooh.
289.
Enemy UAV overhead.
They can't see me now. We should start moving
Losing
in.
ground.
I agree.
Probably push. Probably push for
That direction? No, it's gonna be too a
towards
lot of
town.
contact.
It's gonna finish around airport.
Destination
Oh,
marked.
there,
Get to the safe zone.
that might be. If he gets out, that means he's going for his
Load out.
Lodi. And
Yeah, he's trying to.
nah, he gone. Okay. You wanna go? You wanna head towards Storage Town? Sounds good to me.
Under here.
Let's roll.
Get your supplies.
Actually gonna drop this ammo box.
Right when you're far away from me.
No, not right now.
You want to use it? You mean?
Yeah.
I'm max on ammo, so if you need some, I can always just hand it off to you.
I need 5.56 if you're not
E-
using 5.56.
Easy. Let me know if that was too much.
Oop, there's a vehicle behind us. Try and get him with an RPG. Ooh, I'm getting shot. I'm down. He's right behind me.
It's all up to you now.
He is literally hiding behind a wall. Played up, played up.
Yeah.
I can't see anything, so. But he's coming towards you. Yeah, to the right.
He was
Oh.
over there last I saw.
Yeah, he was. Put your trophy system up. Just in case he tries to RPG you or something. Well, at least you have enough to get me back again. Yeah, you're stuck in a shitty predicament.
Yeah.
And you still have to watch out from above.
Here we go. Mm.
To your right.
Yep.
Let's get in the truck.
Cool sniper.
Alright, where should I go?
Okay, don't go where I'm pinging, but there's a guy right here.
Heading there.
There was a guy moving down this alleyway.
Moving.
So you're probably best off either landing on this
Heading there.
current
That's
blue
what I-
ping.
Destination marked.
That's the best I got for you, Pry.
If you can make your way to me, I'm gonna go to these buildings way the fuck over here. Because the gas is already moving in, so you're about to get engulfed by the gas.
Well, at least I have a gas mask.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go to these buildings and I'll make my way to you.
Okay, they got me. RPG. Hose.
Hose. You still have your ghoulie, don't you?
I do.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive,
Waiting for
you're-
opponent. Minute 30.
You have to wait for your turn, soldier. Be ready.
I wish you the best, Pry.
Thanks.
Okay, ready to fight. Okay.
Win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Earn your way out. Lost the fight. Return to base.
Okay.
Your team can still buy you back if they have the money.
I hope I don't get domed.
Anyone need this?
We're only six teams away from being top 20 pri.
They're going out at like 8 a.m. Shit, they have reservations at 8 a.m. Some place on the strip. Oh, that's the
Early-
bunker, bro.
Early bird special.
I'm about to get bodied. There's literally a vehicle up there. Dude, I already know it. I'm gonna get domed.
23 pri. Only 3 more teams you gotta live through. Now, do you take the vehicle and go get me? Are you risking
Yeah.
all the marbles?
Where's the nearest vehicle?
There's
I was
a
gonna say take this one, Pri. Right next to it.
Yep.
but
I found a ride.
Yeah, but there's got to be somebody up there with it.
maybe not. You never know.
I'm about to die.
You're. Ooh,
I'm
to
already
your left,
getting shot
to your
at.
left.
Yep, I'm dead. Yep. I told you there was no way there was nobody around that truck. Let's
Yeah,
play one
but
more
I
time.
mean they weren't.